Hesitation noises. When Americans want more time to think about what they are saying, they often use a hesitation noise, like or Listen to Jonathan when he is talking to Anna. He does not want Anna to see what he is doing in the studio.
May I see the studio?
Maybe another time. Right now, I am busy.
Now you try it. Use to make more time to answer a question.
What is 1012 and 536?
It's 1,548.
Apologizing. Americans often say they are sorry for bothering someone. Listen to Anna apologize. Notice her voice the second time she says she is sorry. Amelia accepts Anna's apology by saying, "It's okay."
I want to say I'm sorry for yesterday.
It's okay, Anna.
Well, I am sorry.
It's okay, Anna. Come by this afternoon.
Now you try it. Make your voice louder for M.
I am sorry.
Answer the apology. Say it is okay. It's okay.